Welcome to Fibocan's YouTube channel. You have done the right decision in your life by coming into Fibocan's YouTube channel. Who is Fibocan? Fibocan is a wealth enabler. How do we enable wealth? We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, enabling students, investors to devise their own investment strategies through our comprehensive training programs and innovative investment strategies. So what do? We have published educational videos 1 to 16, module 1 to 16 in English and Tamil. The modules that start from basics of banking, capital market, investments, how to do investment, technical analysis, options, futures, then strategies of options and futures, and finally income tax on derivatives. To begin with, all these 16 modules are available both in English and Tamil. I would request you to go and select the appropriate playlist and watch all the videos and put your comments. So that is the step one. Every day we put videos about market commentaries. Please understand that we are not SEBI registered. Hence, we cannot give any recommendations. We will say whether it is looking good, technically sound, technically weak, has to be cautious. These kind of things we will give, but we will not give any price targets, or we will not give any stock recommendations. Only thing is that we are here to give technical education, imparting technical knowledge to anyone and everyone through our free educational videos, which we put every day on the daily markets, and during weekends we put about global markets. So I would request and encourage anyone in the age group of 17, 18, those who are studying in HSC, higher secondary or plus 2, to watch module 1 to 4, definitely either in English or Tamil, whichever language you understand out of these two languages. And anybody who is doing BA, BCom should watch up to module 8. And those who are doing MBA, CA, CFA or any professional or postgraduates should watch module up to module 15. And for professional traders, it is ideally suited for them to watch module 16. I am sure that you will enjoy watching and enhancing your knowledge. Thank you very much. Today is March 11, 2024, Monday. So first trading day for the week, and it is not good for bulls, whoever is bullish, right? People, traders will not be bullish, they will not be bearish, they will be directional. Right, first we will go to the levels, then we go to the discussion part of it. FinNifty 2862.55, 0.68% down. BankNifty 1% down, 47,327.85. Nifty 0.72% down at 22,332.65. BankNifty, FinNifty, what happened? If you recollect, everything formed a kind of a doji on Thursday. Friday was a holiday. We didn't put our video on Thursday. Before going into that, two things I want to say is that I would request, people are watching my videos, I would request them to put comments. Okay, if it is good, please put comments. If it is you want something to be covered, please put that comment. If it is bad also, please put the comments, definitely. Okay, I would appreciate if people put comments. Second is that on Wednesday, whatever levels we had said, the level within which Nifty will operate for Thursday, exactly it operated within that level. So I would request people to watch my Wednesday's video and see the level where it closed on Thursday. Now coming to today's this one, FinNifty, everything it formed a doji on Thursday. So it was a weak ending, hence it was a powerful close. Today is the week beginning, and in the weekly chart, if you recollect what I have told, that the exponential moving average acts like a gravitational pull. The exponential moving and 20-day exponential moving average and Bollinger Band, middle band, will act as a pull or push as the case may be. So now in this case, in the weekly chart, because it has formed such a solid green candle 3 weeks, there is a pull that is happening, which is what is pushing the prices down, because it is pulling down. So what happened? FinNifty formed evening star type candle. In fact, all formed an evening star type candle. In fact, the worst performer I would call is Nifty. Why I am calling the worst performer? Because today it formed yet another new high. In spite of it, it formed a solid red candle and closed decisively. And it is definitely a first reversal that it had formed in all the three indices, because it formed a solid reversal, solid big red candle. The only saving grace was, it's like in a boxing match, no, where before the game ended the bell rang. It's something like that. So today the bell rang, so bulls escaped. But tomorrow will it continue? I don't think so. The reason is very simple, because the exponential moving average, everything, the Fin Nifty, Bank Nifty and Nifty closed just above the exponential moving averages, key exponential moving averages. Hence that will act as a very good support. So either tomorrow will be sideways or there is some small short covering rally that is possible. But notwithstanding that, the medium term trend, which I have told many times, the medium term is 1 month. Short term is very short term, like 3 days to 5 days is, you can call it as a short term. Medium term is a monthly trend. So monthly trend is definitely still on the upward side, but with you will have some kind of jerks or pullbacks of this nature, which will ensure that the market is like a well-oiled machine. It can't go in one direction, right? That's what it is. So with that background, let's go into the details. Banks: Axis Bank, Federal Bank, HDFC, ICICI, Kotak, Yes Bank fell 1%. SBI and Bandhan fell 2%. AU was a sole performer, 2% up. On the financials, IDFC, L&T Finance, Manappuram, IDFC 1% down, L&T Finance and Manappuram 2% down, Bajaj Finserv, Chola and Shriram 1% up, Muthoot 2% up. So on the insurance and cars, LIC 1% down along with ICICI General, SBI Life 1% up, ICICI Pru 3% up. So you can see that in the banking only AU moved up. That's why others, either all the other banking stocks, HDFC, ICICI, Kotak, everything fell, which is why Bank Nifty fell by 1%. On the contrary, you had Fin Nifty falling only by 0.68%. Actually, Fin Nifty outperformed Bank Nifty, you can call. The reason is simple. As you have seen that the financials, other than the banking stocks, some of the stocks performed well, as I explained, and also the insurance companies performed well, which is part of the Fin Nifty but not part of the Bank Nifty. That's something which is a learning for people who want to understand what are the components of Bank Nifty, Fin Nifty and Nifty. On the oil and telecom, Reliance 1% down while Bharati remained flat. On the IT, Infi, LTTS, Emphasis 1% down. Others remained sideways. That's why you had Nifty not falling significantly in spite of such a big fall. It touched a new high, but still it went on to form a solid red candle, solid reversal. On the consumer goods, HUL, ITC and Titan 1% down, PVR down 2%, Berger, Britannia, Colpal, DMart, Pidilite, Trent 1% up, Nestle moved up by 2%. The automobiles, most of it were down or sideways. Ashok Leyland, Berger, Maruti and Titan, Tata Motors 1% down, Motherson 2% down. Metals, coal, Hindalco, Jindal 1% down, Tata Steel 2% down, National Aluminium, SAIL and Vedanta 3% down, NMDC 4% down. Health and Pharma, Metropolis, Sun Pharma, Thyrocare, Lalpath 1% down, Cipla and Dr. Reddy 1% up, Apollo Hospitals moved up nicely by 2%. In the others category, L&T, DLF, Adani Enterprise, Aries, Jubilant Food, UPL 1% down, Godrej Properties, India Mart and MCX 2% down, Delta Cup and Zomato 3% down. On the upward side, APL, Apollo and Polycab 1% up, Nika 2% up, Indigo had a big move of 4%. With all those things, so what do we expect for Fin Nifty expiry for option expiry tomorrow? See, the support and resistance levels, one has to be extremely careful because how it opens, accordingly the movement will be. But the immediate level of support, as I said, exponential moving averages are there, below which is the 50-day moving average, exponential moving average is there. So ideally I would say a very good support one can think of is because in the weekly chart it is forming reversal. Hence, one should monitor weekly to understand and ascertain. So the 20-week exponential moving average, so that will act as a good support, which is now at 25.56. On the upward side, the monthly upper band, which is at 21,487, because still there are levels that are there are no significant levels that are available. The Fibonacci 161.8 is also available. That is also somewhere around these levels. Hence, it's one should consider monthly upper band, Bollinger upper band in the monthly chart, which is at 21,487. That is something which will act as a good resistance. Thank you very much. See you tomorrow.